from tajmotormedics. I've got a Volvo S60 here on a 2012 plate. Basically what's happened is I've just got in the car, got the engine running, and this came up, popped up, bulb failure on a dip bulb, which is, I'll just show you exactly which one. Now you can see that one there is working, and then this one isn't working. I'm assuming this may have a gas discharge bulb, maybe a D3 or something, or a D2. I'll double check that in a second. Now that the engine is off, I've unlatched it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to see which one it is. Now on these ones, you got to remove the whole headlight, which is a pretty cool thing to do. So all you do is pull this, put that to the side. So make sure how you pull it, that's how you put it back in. So you can see this bit here and the flush bit on the back. So basically goes in like this. Okay, same thing on this one as well, you can see, but you might have to just yank it, but just try not breaking it. So that's for the inner one, that's for the outer one. As you can see, one's longer than the other. Okay, so this one here is this side, that there is here. Okay, all you then do is pull the headlight out. I'm just going to get a second hand in a second. Right, now all you do then is just pull the headlight out. Now this is a bit tricky. Here we go. So I wedge my hand in there and then pulled it out. So basically this is it. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to remove the screws there and take this plug out as well. As you can see, that plug there, which is going to be quite awkward to get out. So I'm going to try not taking it out because I don't want to really break it. And I'm going to just get a Torx bit for this. So it's going to be a T25. Grab me a T25 please. And then try to remove the cover without taking the headlight out completely. I've got the Torx now. So it's T25 like I said. Undo this cover. Just remember, when you do take it out, don't drop the screws. There's already one missing right there. And then this one here, you just take out a little bit, you push it that way. It's still not coming out, so I might have to take out just a little bit more. That's it. Leave the screw in there, that's out. So what we're doing is we're doing this bulb here. For some reason he has got a new one on there, but the stick is so kind of peeled off. So what is this? A D3 bulb. So it is a gas discharge bulb. It's a D3. I think he's got some in the boot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab it. But before I grab it, so this little clip here. So all you do is push the clip in downwards like this. That's it. Nope. Bring it back up. Yep. Nope. Take it back down. This is a bit weird. It's meant to be up so you can take the bulb out. Wow, that's tight. That is tight. Spread my fingers in. There we go. That's out. Brilliant. So what I'm going to do is get a new bulb. So I've got the new one here. Now customer has supplied me with the bulbs. So it's a D3 bulb if you did want one. Take this off. Make sure you don't touch the front lens. And when you're unplugging this as well, so what you do first, you plug it in. That's it. When you unplug, push this down. And then wiggle, take the plug out. Then when you're trying to put it back together, push this down, that's it. Now this locking mechanism right here, it sort of kind of goes through in there. So make sure you do lock it. So previously, whoever did the bulb on this, they did not lock it. So I'm going to slot it through first. Once it slots in, I then lock it in place. That's it. Now that's locked. So all I now do is put the cover on and then just hope it works. So So before I put everything back together, I'm just going to check the lights, make sure the lights are working. That's good. That's good as well. Let's snip it up a little bit. But what we're going to do now is just check, make sure the lights are working. Right, they're on now. As you can see, that there is working. This one there, this one here is working as well. So that's all it was. So what I'm going to show you how to put it back in now. Turn the lights off. To put it back together, before I do that, I'm just going to tighten these little screws up. Here we go. Make sure they're nipped up so you don't want any water going inside. Now if you did want to undo this for any reason, there's a plug there as well on the inside. You can take that plug out, take the whole headlight out, and you can replace it. And if you ever wanted to replace this as well as a baluster, so you can replace that as well on its own. So now we've got a slider in. So you've got 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you've got 1, 2 right on the inside as well. And if there's anything that we need to slide this through, not from the bottom. So what you do, you get it in an angle. You slide it in, that's it. You then push the light in. And as you can see now they're nicely in. So all I do is the long one, like I said to you, this is facing backwards. Just right there. And then this one here, same thing again. Push it in. Push it in. That's all it is. That's all you have to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click that. And there will be a link for the bulb in the description. Don't forget to click that as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.